Welcome to this Follow My Lead tutorial. If you've been invited to participate in a Zoom meeting, this tutorial will teach you how to join your meeting and introduce the features you may need to utilize. To join your meeting, you need to locate your Zoom meeting details. These may have been emailed to you or are located on a calendar invite. Click the link to join your meeting. If you haven't already downloaded the Zoom Meetings application, you will be prompted to do so here. In some cases, your host will have selected that the meeting will only start when they join. In this case, you will see a box that says, "Please wait for the host to start this meeting." The meeting will automatically begin when the host joins. The host may also have selected to use a waiting room, which means you will be connected to the meeting once the host has let you in. It may be they need to speak with other meeting participants first, or they wish to get documentation ready. You don't need to do anything. Once admitted, your meeting will begin. As you join the meeting, you will be asked to select your audio. Click Join with Computer Audio to use your computer speakers and microphone. You can test these first if needed. Make sure there are no games or applications playing in the background before you join. Depending on the setup of the meeting, your video may start automatically, or you may need to start it when you're ready by clicking the Start Video button. Teddy bears have been a welcome sight during this time, so today these are our participants. If you're not hearing any audio, click the arrow next to the microphone symbol to select your microphone and speakers. If you have headphones or earbuds plugged in, they will appear here. You may also need to unmute your sound. Once you're in your call, you can customize your setup. The square at the top right makes the Zoom window full screen. Gallery view lines all participants up in a grid-like formation. The person talking will have a yellow box around them. If you select Speaker View, the person you are speaking with in a two-person conversation will hold the majority of the screen. If you have multiple participants, this gives the person speaking the largest box in the center of the screen and changes depending on who's talking. Now let's have a look at the features you may wish to use during your call. These are located at the bottom of your screen and appear when you move your mouse. The microphone and video symbols toggle your audio and video on and off. Just click on them to do so. Participants shows you a list of all people currently connected to your call and whether they have their audio and video on or off. From here, you can invite other participants. You can also mute or unmute yourself and raise your hand or lower your hand if you need to say something. This feature is handy when you have many people on one call. Chat enables you to type messages to others during your meeting. You can select everyone or single names to private message that person. You can also send a file to the group by clicking the File icon. Share Screen is a very handy tool for virtual presentations or sharing information. When you click Share Screen, you will be able to share either your entire screen or specific applications that you currently have open. For example, a PowerPoint presentation. Tick Share Computer Sound if your screen sharing document includes sound. Select Optimize Screen Sharing for Video Clip if you are sharing a video with the group. Once selected, click Share. You are then able to use your mouse and move through the document or file as normal. Note, if you minimize the selected screen sharing document, it will still show on others' screens. When you're ready to stop screen sharing, either select Stop Share at the top of the screen or close the selected document you're sharing. Record enables you to record the call if you have permission to do so from the meeting host. Finally, if you wish to show a reaction to something, click the Reactions button and select either clapping or thumbs up. This will show next to your picture for 10 seconds. Now you're all set for your meeting. When you've finished, click Leave Meeting at the bottom of the screen. Enjoy your Zoom. Follow My Lead create custom-made instructional video tutorials here in New Zealand. They're a great way to teach your staff or clients how to complete or follow a process, enabling them to more effectively work from home or work independently on site. Follow My Lead tutorials are easy to follow and available 24/7. To find out how Follow My Lead can help your business, visit followmylead.co.nz.